Right, we've got a Ford Mondeo in, and basically the customer wants a reverse camera that integrates into his factory system. And what he has the Ford Sync 2 system. So what I have to do is install a integrated package, and also the camera to look factory as well. Here's the camera. Right, let me carry on. Right, it's all done. Let me show you around. Flip the well, that's the reverse camera. So it looks pretty much OEM. And what he's done is replaced the boot catch as well, and as you can see, that now works with that. And I'll actually show you the screen itself. So you've got the factory Ford Sync 2 system. Turn the music down. Print to reverse. And there you have the image behind you. Also, you have the original factory front and rear parking sensor symbol as well that comes up, and that also works with it. There you have it. It's a fully integrated camera system that works with the factory screen, and obviously the camera looks OEM on this Ford Mondeo.